In today's video, we're going to walk through how to get the Moment 4 feature update for Windows 11 version 22H2, update KB5030310, as well as highlight the major new features you'll get and what you should check before installing. Whether you're a casual user or someone who loves exploring new tools, you'll want to know how this one works and what it brings. First, let's talk about what Moment 4 is. Microsoft describes the update as part of its continuous innovation approach. Instead of waiting for a full new version, they're rolling out new features in packages like this one. With KB5030310, OS build 22621-2361, the update brings in key enhancements and feature sets to Windows 11 22H2. It's optionally installed via Windows Update, and it includes both new features and fixes. So, how do you get it? Open Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. If you see the KB5030310 preview or optional update listed, you can choose Download and Install. There's a catch. To enable the full new features, you may also need the Configuration Update, Enablement Package, and you may need to turn on the toggle Get the latest updates as soon as they're available under Windows Update. Once the update installs and you reboot, your PC will still be running version 22H2, but many of the new Moment 4 features will be unlocked. Now let's look at what's new. One of the standout additions is the appearance of Copilot in Windows, Microsoft's AI assistant built into the OS. You'll see a new Copilot icon on the taskbar or via shortcut, and you can use it to ask for help, change settings, or get assistance with content. Another big improvement is in the File Explorer. It now has a modernized homepage, improved address bar with OneDrive integration, a new gallery view for your photos, and a details pane giving more context about selected files. Also, the Start menu gains personalized recommendations of websites in its Recommended section, based on your browsing history, which you can manage or hide in Settings. Other additions include native support for more archive formats, .7z, .rr, .tar, G, etc. A new Windows backup app to sync your settings and credentials to OneDrive, a revamped taskbar option to never combine buttons for users who prefer that classic style, and enhancements in accessibility like voice access improvements and text actions in the snipping tool. Of course, every update comes with things to watch for. Since this is an optional/preview update, some features may roll out gradually or be behind a toggle. Make sure your drivers are up to date, your system is backed up, and you're comfortable clicking the toggle to get early features. If you prefer to wait until features are fully rolled out, you can skip the optional part and wait for the next standard update. After installation, double-check that your OneDrive is syncing, File Explorer works as expected, your taskbar is behaving the way you like, and that there are no unexpected issues with your apps. If you notice major issues, you can always uninstall the update and wait for the next monthly patch. So to recap, we covered how to install KB5030310 for Windows 11 22H2, what the key new features in Moment 4 are, and what to check after you install. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips, updates, and deep dives. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.